Well, Meta out with the news just moments
No,
ago, so it made my
I missed
stock
that.
movers list. The stock is up here 5.5% pre-market. It needs a lift because it's down about 15% year to date. Here's what's going on. The parent of Facebook and Instagram is developing plans for a cloud infrastructure business to sell access to AI computing power and models. This is meant to compete with the industry leaders like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft's Azure, and Google Cloud. It's considering selling access to various AI models hosted on its existing AI infrastructure, as well as what it calls raw computing capacity. It's all part of Meta Compute Initiative. So Meta is getting a nice lift here pre-market on that news. We've also got America going back to the moon. A little different than it did in the past, though, which is actually creating more business for a lot of hot new space startups. So NASA announced the selection of 3 companies to land 4 new missions on the moon in late 2028 as part of NASA's moon-based program. And here are the companies: Firefly, Intuitive Machines, and also Astrobotic. Yeah, Astrobotic is privately held, but it's being bought by Voyager Technology. That was actually announced early last month. So none of these 3 companies is profitable yet. For now, investors seem pretty happy with them amassing new business and growing sales here in this deal with NASA. So Firefly share of the deal, $144 million. Intuitive Machines, $148 million. Astrobotic won $300 million in new business. So NASA is really intent, along with Elon Musk, on bringing humans to the moon. Some are saying by 2032.
I'm a bit confused.
Yeah.
Are all these narratives part of SpaceX, or are they separate?
They're separate from SpaceX. This is a NASA initiative, but they're saying a lot of these companies are getting a boost because of SpaceX's, successful IPO.
And apparently, the reason we need to go back to the moon is so that we can go to Mars. You go from moon to the Mars.
Is that how it goes?
That's what I've heard explained to me. They kind of need like a refueling or launching.
I saw Matt Damon at the World Cup.
Yeah.
He's everywhere.
He was like more air conditioned than Martha
Yeah.
Stewart.
Yeah.
I mean,
Wait, what's the Matt Damon connection to space?
Martian.
Oh,
I
gotcha.
flunked yesterday. They showed Olivia
Or Mars or
Rodrigo.
Oh.
And I didn't know who she was. I was chastised.
Celeb sighting.
Afterthought put me in the timeout chair. You got another one?
I do. General Mills is having a nice morning, up 3.5%. Was down about 25% year to date. You know what? You think General Mills, you think Cheerios, Lucky Charms. It is so much more. Betty Crocker, Pillsbury, Old El Paso, Annie's. I mean, a lot of different products here. Company posted fourth quarter profit that beat Wall Street expectations, lifted by higher prices. Also, quarterly revenue came in above estimates. Remember, General Mills was recently saying, look, we need to win over shoppers with lower prices. Then they realized they were facing sales declines. So they said, oh, wait a minute. Now we're going to start raising prices again. The company's also dealing with consumers who are increasingly choosing less processed foods over many packaged foods.
This has been a debate at home. To me, there's definitely been a shift.
Yep.
There's no question there's a shift.
When
a
my
natural shift.
middle guy says, oh, please don't buy that because it has, yada, yada, yada in the ingredients label, I know people are paying attention.
Dude, I'm buying what I'm buying.
Yeah.
General Mills over the last 5 years compounded annual return -7% per year.
Ouch.
Yep.